Kim is back, getting us ready for another rush with winter. Kim is talking about some freezing rain, sleet. It doesn't sound fun, but now, I think we've got this. We're like, bring it. I think we can do it.
Yeah, no.
Right? No? No. I was bringing the positive vibes.
You do, and I love that
Right?
about you. But in this case, what I don't like, freezing rain.
That is true. That gets a little dangerous.
And we've also seen what an inch or two of snow does when it comes during the morning commute. Ice always makes me just very nervous.
A little nervous. That is true.
Especially, the good news here, though, because you are a glass half full, just like I am,
Right.
Salt does work very, very well in these temperatures. So fortunately, it's not the bitter cold we had last week. Salt will work very well when temperatures are in the 30s, but you've still got freezing rain falling, so it will definitely be an issue. And we have the possibility of some heavy snow to go along with it. 32 right now in Detroit, just below freezing in Howell and Pontiac, and right at freezing in Monroe. Winter weather advisory in effect until 4 o'clock tomorrow. The worst of the weather comes overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow, but we do still have a few areas of some light freezing drizzle out there even tonight. 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Freezing rain, ice will start to accumulate between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Snow to the north. When I say that, I mean north of about I-94, although that can fluctuate by 20, 30 miles easily. Rain to the south, and then scattered snow and rain from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So it's one of these situations where it's just a very complicated forecast for us. We've got some snow showers and then also some freezing drizzle. At this point, it's just drizzle, but as you're traveling tonight, just keep that in mind. Good news is that temperatures are not falling. They'll actually climb maybe another degree or two. 30 in Mount Clemens, still above freezing at City Airport, upper 20s in Pontiac, just ticked up to 30 out in Howell. Clouds and radar forecast. I started this at 11 o'clock tonight. There's not much going on. There's still a little bit of that freezing drizzle, maybe a couple snowflakes mixed in, or even some sleet. What happens overnight, though, around 2 a.m., here comes that freezing rain and sleet. As we get to the morning commute, most of it looks like it will be freezing rain and sleet, and then you go into the northern part, even right along 696 and northward into parts of Livingston, Oakland, and Macomb counties. Should fall as all snow, and it could be heavy at times. So I think it's just going to be a wintry, messy mix all through the morning commute and at least the first half of the day. Then in the afternoon, starts to change over to rain from south up to the north. But depending on how long this cold air stays in place, could have a little more snow a little later in especially Oakland and Macomb counties. South of the airport, you're mostly rain by the afternoon. So I know it's a lot to digest. We'll have more on that timeline in better detail coming up tonight at 5 and 6. But for tonight, 33 degrees, so we're right at that freezing point. We do expect freezing rain to move in, especially after midnight. That's when it will become heavier. Winds will be out of the southwest, 5 to 15. Tomorrow's high does make it to 36, at least in the southern suburbs, but north of, let's just say north of I-94, could stay cold a little longer, and then we'd have to add up those snow totals, about 1 to 3, with the highest totals being north, maybe even a few isolated areas up into the thumb getting as much as 4 inches tomorrow. So tomorrow is a forewarned weather alert day as our high gets to 36 degrees. One piece of really good news, though, the rest of the week, even though we've got some rain, temperatures will be above freezing. So as far as school closings and a messy morning commute, tomorrow is all you really have to deal with.
All right, we appreciate it. Thank you, Kim.